Have you ever tasted a fruit so sweet, so juicy, that it feels like a gift from nature? Meet the Vietnamese lychee, a tiny red gem that travels thousands of miles from the rolling hills of Vietnam to your table. But behind every bite is a story of tradition, hard work, and innovation. Join us on an unforgettable journey to discover how Vietnam's lychee harvest is captivating the world. Every summer, from May to July, Vietnam transforms into a sea of red and green. This is lychee season, a time when the provinces of Bac Giang and Hai Duong come alive with the vibrant harvest of one of the world's most beloved fruits. Known as Vai Thu in Vietnamese, these lychees are more than just a fruit, they're a cultural icon, a symbol of hard work, and a source of pride for millions of farmers. In Bac Giang, the heart of Vietnam's lychee production, over 29,000 hectares of lychee orchards produce an astonishing 300,000 tons of fruit in 2025 alone. That's enough to fill thousands of cargo planes heading to countries like China, the USA, Japan, and Europe. But what makes Vietnamese lychees so special? It's the perfect blend of nature's gifts, fertile soil, tropical climate, and the meticulous care of farmers who treat each tree like family. The journey of a Vietnamese lychee doesn't end at the orchard. To reach your plate in Tokyo, Paris, or New York, every fruit must meet the world's strictest standards. Over 16,000 hectares in Bac Giang are certified Viet Gap, and 204 hectares meet Global Gap, international benchmarks for safe, sustainable farming. Farmers follow precise protocols, from soil testing to pest control, ensuring every lychee is free of chemicals and bursting with flavor. After harvest, the fruits are carefully sorted, packed in ice, and sometimes airlifted within hours to preserve their freshness. In 2025, Japan even entrusted Vietnam to self-monitor its lychee processing, a testament to our farmers' expertise. From Thanh Hai and Hai Duong to Luc Nan and Bac Giang, Vietnam's lychees are now a global sensation, exported to over 30 countries. But it's not just about the fruit, it's about trust. Every lychee you enjoy is backed by rigorous quality checks, ensuring it's safe, delicious, and worthy of its reputation. In Vietnam, lychees are more than a crop, they're a way of life. In Luc Nan, the lychee season is a festival of community and culture. Families gather to harvest, neighbors share stories, and visitors from around the world join in the celebration. Events like the Luc Nan Lychee Festival invite you to pick your own fruit, taste local delicacies, and experience the warmth of Vietnamese hospitality. But the lychee is also evolving. Farmers and businesses are innovating, turning fresh lychees into dried snacks, refreshing juices, and even lychee tea, products that are now reaching markets in the Middle East, Australia, and beyond. These efforts not only boost farmers' incomes but also share Vietnam's flavors with the world. Imagine this, a lychee picked at dawn in Bac Giang arrives on a supermarket shelf in Paris by evening. In 2025, Vietnam expects to export over 70,000 tons of lychees to China alone, with thousands more tons reaching the USA, EU, Japan, and Australia. This global journey is powered by modern logistics, from refrigerated trucks to cargo planes, and partnerships with trade organizations worldwide. In the USA, companies like LV Food Supply, led by Vietnamese-American entrepreneur Trinh Nguyen, are bringing lychees to 40 states, from Texas to California. In Europe, lychees from Thanh Hoa, Hai Duong, are a hit at markets like Cho Viet Phap in Paris. And on social media, influencers from Tokyo to Sydney are raving about the sweet, juicy taste of Vietnamese lychees. The future of Vietnamese lychees is brighter than ever. Farmers are embracing technology, from drones to smart irrigation, to improve yields and quality. Businesses are investing in deep processing, creating new products like lychee juice and dried lychees to meet global demand. And with events like the 2025 Bac Giang Trade Promotion Conference, Vietnam is forging new partnerships to bring lychees to even more countries. But the heart of this story remains the farmers. Their dedication ensures that every lychee you taste is a product of love, tradition, and innovation. As Vietnam aims for $70 billion in agricultural exports in 2025, lychees are leading the way, proving that a small fruit can make a big impact. Next time you enjoy a Vietnamese lychee, remember the journey it took, from the hands of a farmer in Bac Giang to your plate halfway across the globe. Want to experience this magic for yourself? Visit Vietnam during lychee season, join the harvest, or find Vietnamese lychees at your local market. Share your lychee love with us in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more stories from Vietnam's vibrant culture.